Alright. I got some of this mobile vector oil just for ways and stuff, so let me oil these ways up. Clean them off first. I know you're not supposed to use air around the compressor. I got it set real low. Oh, don't listen to this. This is a love song. I hate my slow voice. Close your ears. Close your ears. Warning, warning. See, it's choking me up. I can't even think. Alright, there's the keyway. Here's the key. Here's the keyway. Ta-da! Alright, use this for sharpening on my tungsten, so let's go get it. I guess at least it's not heavy music for all you that hate the heavy music. Woo, too much. Back it off. Alright. Make sure both these are. Alrighty. Uh-oh. Oh. Hey, at least it fits. Oh, thank God it's over. Hopefully you guys can hear that. Now you know why I never put it on any of the other videos. Alright. Yeah, you gotta be careful when it hits one that's too tight. If I was a smart man, I'd cut that out, right? Ah, these are too tight. That's what it is. You gotta make sure these are all loose if you're gonna do that. Imagine that. Here, let's see if I can mess myself up a third time. Hey! Alright, now, the piece I made. Ta-da! Oh, just the right. There we go. Oh, this is the other. Wait a second. Something ain't right here. Where's the other one? Should be a longer one. Make a small one and a long one. That actually came out pretty good. I gotta cut it off later, but. Ah, hiding from me. Yeah. See, this way it sticks up. And then, bam! It can't go any farther. Now, we still got that problem is, yeah, see. It still sticks up too far, so. It was a washer. Me and my organizational system, huh? Look, I found this. I was looking for that last night. Center drills, they work great. Alright. I had a washer here. You know what? I bet that's what fell underneath the thing is. Nah. I heard something fall. Ah! You sneaky bastard! Now, see, I can do this. But this ain't gonna move. Ta-da! Hey, what do you know? It's fixed! Now, the big question is, does it work? So, if you go on Tom Techniques, you can download things on how to grind these yourself. This old Tony has some good ones too. So, let's just see if this works now. I made this stop right here, so I'll just have to adjust that. Alright, back to recording. Here we go. You see how it moves? Oh, I know what else. Phone is between the steering wheel and the seat. Gotta tighten these up too. That's why it's so bouncy. Think about what you're doing. Now this is my slow voice, but I kind of like this song. It's not a love song. But my voice is still pretty horrible. I don't like my slow voice. Alright, here we go. Let's try this again. Oh, that seems to be going better. Let's see about underground. Oh, yeah. Nice. Wrong one. Disengage, disengage. Ooh. Yeah, that's why you gotta practice. You know what you're doing. Turn the wrong deal. Let's see if this party tool works now. I've never tried this one. So, it could be doomed. I got it with the T and everything, so let's hope for the best. A big old shit there. Uh-oh. Oh, okay, dummy. Nope, not it either. Let me pull it back and then make it closer. Alright. I like that. I'm gonna give it a shot. Oh, I know. See, I even grinded some of this off. It needs more grinded off. That's what it is. Let's see if I can do it with this one. I already. No, that's a basing tool. Then I had a party. Oh, oh, I know what it was. Here we go. I have to use the smaller one with the regular block. I like it. So it's as tight as we can. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, it's turning. Yeah, like hold it. See, this turns instead of cutting. Where's that other one? I'm gonna try this. It's thinner. I might just have to drill the holes so it can't move. Yeah, listen to them drones. You guys see that? This is moving. Yeah. I don't know about these cheap freaking change all deals. If other people have the same problem, I just have bad freaking luck. I like to be a little bit of both, really. Alright, crank down on that bad boy. I gotta take more out, it's still too freaking high. You know what? I'll show you. Here. Now watch, this will work. I'll show you why I came up with a spacer idea. Sorry, this is gonna be a real long video, I know, but see, you can't even tighten that. See? And it's all because this is too loose. Now my first thing was to put this, or You know, put another washer under here. But then I came up with this. And I'll just lock this one in place with the small bolt. There we go. Now that can't move much. Alright. Now the spacer. But now see, we're high again. So, let me show you what I did first. This, then the washer. So that brings me up. But then, if I'm going to use this, I might as well just use this. See? In fact, this is higher. Fail. So, any solutions? I'd love to hear them. I mean, you know, I can't take the circle down because if I take the circle down, then it won't be high enough again. You know, that's where I came up with take this down, you know, so it's bam, down here. But I still got a ways to go. So, taking enough of your time. That'll be next project. At least we got the bolt on and we're almost there. Alright, take it easy. Alright, I think I got this figured out. Oh yeah, see? Linus Tech Tips shirt. No wave today. Trying to show I have other shirts. Though, I will say, computers was my first love. I actually got my degree in '93. But back then they didn't like tattoos and piercings. So I became a carpenter. What I think I'm going to do is dicom this and drill a bunch of holes. That way I can just pin it wherever I need to. And then if I have to, I'll just pin this one down and then put smaller pins to hold it from going. Alright, let's go to the drill. Love me some bacon. I tried to wrap my arm today. I tried to remember that. I know it looks gross, so I just forget sometimes. Alrighty. So what I'm thinking is take the cheap Harbor Freight calipers and I'd say right there is about center. So first you gotta let the dicom dry. I always found fanning off usually dries a little quicker. You just gotta make sure it's not so on there that it goes everywhere. Alright, let's try this again. Excuse me. Alright, now we'll just put some holes. So we want center. So let's see. I'm gonna cheat. This is how big we want them. So it has to be in between there. Now, honestly, I would never do anything like this if this was like precision, but alrighty. So I got like a space, that's center, 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 center. I know. but this is basically just prototype for now. I want to see if it works. Alright. Alright. Centering bits. Love these things. Yeah, that one looks off. Other than that, I don't know. But anyway. I always like to turn it on just to see it's pretty straight. Then you tighten it up. Always get all three. Alright. Line up the hole. A little bit of hogwash. That feels like it's going to bite. Alright, let's be safe about this. Everything's all wrapped up here. Alright. Getting out of hand there. I like to let off a little bit when I feel it going through. That way it doesn't grab as much. You can feel it. The deeper it gets, it starts to grab. Yeah, now you see why I have that? See it almost grabbed there. Let it go up against that. I can feel it pulling it out of my hand. That's why you need this. Another thing, if you loosen your grip on this, and this isn't exactly centered, the drill press will move it over because you're not putting pressure down. So try to hold it tight but loose, if that makes sense. Tight but loose. And right before it breaks through, you can feel it giving. Ah, see, if it wasn't for that one, my plan would have worked out. That one came off. I knew it looked wonky. I should have followed my instinct and not my mark. Other than that, I don't know. It worked for what I'm trying, though. Bad machining, but it will work. Like everything I do. Alright. I didn't show this before. This is why you keep old belts, though. See, I just need to take the head off this and it'll fit perfect. Whoop. Only problem with small screws, you don't have much to bite onto. Oh, there it goes again. No, it's about to do. Woo, look how hot that got. Voila! Hot! There we go. See? Ta-da! Look, you even got a Phillips head if you need to unscrew it. Alright. Alrighty. So, now, we either have the long pin that sticks up. Oh, nope, that's the even pin. This is what you see. You have the even pin, and you need to do something over here, and bam, it's hooked in. But until you need that, you got the long pin here. Voila. Piece number 2 on. Or what's it? Yeah, I think it's that. Alright. Maybe this will work now. It looks like it's a little bit higher. Nope, see, it still spins. There's my washer. Trying to get away from it. Washer down so we can still do this. Top piece, and then crank. Now we can torque it. And look, that it ain't going nowhere. And now if we need to, take this out, take this pin out, put the even pin in, then we can bam! There. Looky there. Love it when stuff works out. Alrighty. That one looks about straight. Alright, look at that. Now, the only thing we left is milling this out. And I'm going to finish this too. You ask why did I use a grinder when I have a mill? Well, because I'm an idiot. That's why. I'm going to mill the rest of this out. What I want to do is, see how you still have the plate here? Where's my marker? Here it is. So what I'm going to do is mark this. There's my mark right there. So I'm just going to bring this even, straight across. See, that looks about it. This. So I'm going to actually bring it down a little bit more. Because it's nice when you can bring it up, you know. So I'm bringing this straight across. And bringing it down to there. Look at that! That's it. Like, subscribe, share with your friends. I appreciate all the watching, and as always, take it easy.